Do you ever feel tingling, burning, or stabbing pain in your hands and feet? Maybe it's a sensation that comes and goes, or perhaps it's a constant reminder that something just isn't right. These feelings can be unsettling, making you wonder if your nerves are trying to tell you something important. You're not alone. Millions of people silently battle neuropathy every single day, often without anyone around them truly understanding what they're going through. It's a hidden struggle that affects people of all ages and backgrounds. For many, it starts as a mild numbness or a strange tingling, but over time, it can grow into a constant, frustrating presence that's hard to ignore. The discomfort can creep up slowly, making daily life more challenging with each passing day. Simple tasks like walking across the room, buttoning a shirt, or even holding a cup of coffee can suddenly feel impossible. Everyday activities that once felt effortless now require extra effort and concentration. The pain is invisible to others, but it's always present for you. It can impact your mood, strain your relationships, and slowly chip away at your quality of life, leaving you feeling isolated and misunderstood. Many people have tried countless prescriptions, made repeated doctor visits, and even changed their diets, hoping for relief. Yet, despite all these efforts, the pain and discomfort often linger, making it feel like there's no real solution in sight. But what if there was a new, natural way to support your nerves and finally address the root of the problem? Imagine discovering an approach that doesn't just mask the symptoms, but actually helps your body find balance and comfort again. Today, I want to introduce you to Nervogen Pro, a carefully crafted formula designed to bring balance and relief to your nervous system, so you can reclaim the comfort and confidence you deserve. This isn't just another pill on the shelf, it's a unique blend of natural ingredients, each chosen for their ability to target the root causes of nerve discomfort and support your body's natural healing processes. Imagine waking up to quiet, comfortable days and enjoying restful, uninterrupted nights again. Picture yourself moving freely, without the constant worry of pain or numbness holding you back. Thanks to advances in science and nature, we're learning more every day about how specific nutrients and plant extracts can support nerve health and overall well-being. That's why Nervogen Pro's unique natural approach truly caught my attention, and why it could be the support your nerves have been crying out for. Let me share a personal story, one that's close to my heart and changed the way I see nerve pain forever. It started when a close family member began experiencing strange sensations in their feet, tingling, burning, and a constant feeling of pins and needles that just wouldn't go away. Nights became restless, as the pain would flare up just when they tried to sleep. Even simple things, like getting out of bed or taking a few steps, became a daily challenge. We tried everything we could think of: special socks, medicated creams, foot baths, and even physical therapy sessions. Each new remedy brought a flicker of hope, but nothing seemed to bring lasting relief. As the pain persisted, their world slowly shrank. Activities they once loved, like gardening, walking in the park, or even visiting friends, became too difficult. The frustration and isolation grew, and it was heartbreaking to watch. Determined to find a better way, I spent countless hours researching natural solutions, reading reviews, and learning about nerve health. That's when I stumbled upon Nervogen Pro, a supplement that promised gentle, plant-based support for nerve pain. Nervogen Pro was created by medical chemist Kevin Miller, who combined his expertise with a passion for natural healing. The formula blends carefully chosen plant extracts and essential vitamins, all designed to nourish and support healthy nerves. We were skeptical at first. After all, we'd tried so many things before. But with nothing to lose and hope in our hearts, my family member decided to give it a try, following the instructions carefully. The change didn't happen overnight. But slowly, the burning sensations at night faded. Sleep improved, and mornings became less daunting. Over time, those painful steps turned into confident, pain-free walks. Today, my loved one is back to tending the garden, laughing with grandchildren, and enjoying the simple pleasures of life that once seemed out of reach. Witnessing this transformation firsthand convinced me that Nervogen Pro is truly worth sharing with others who are struggling. It's important to remember, this isn't a miracle cure or an instant fix, but for those who feel like they've tried everything, it offers real hope and a gentle path forward. For many, Nervogen Pro is a chance to reclaim life from the grip of nerve pain, to rediscover joy, and to reconnect with loved ones and favorite activities. That's why I believe in this formula. Not just because of the science, but because I've seen the difference it can make. Relief is possible, and it starts with the right support, a little patience, and the willingness to try something new. Nervogen Pro made a real difference for my family, and if you or someone you love is struggling, it just might help you find peaceful steps again. Nervogen Pro is a dietary supplement crafted to support nerve health. Developed by Kevin Miller, it targets both nerve nourishment and muscle tension, especially in the deep psoas muscle, which can compress nerves. The formula combines plant extracts and essential vitamins to relax tension and nourish nerve endings. Just 2 capsules a day fit easily into your routine. Unlike harsh medications, it works gently with your body. Miller's vision was a long-term natural support system, not a temporary fix. Ingredients are chosen for their history in traditional medicine and modern science. The result is a holistic, synergistic blend for nerve wellness. Nervogen Pro is about restoring balance and comfort from within. Quality and purity are at the heart of Nervogen Pro. Made from natural non-GMO ingredients, no chemicals or fillers, sourced from trusted growers, every batch is produced in an FDA-approved, GMP-certified U.S. facility. This ensures strict quality control and safety. Key ingredients include passion flower for calming, marshmallow root for soothing tissues, corydalis for pain relief, prickly pear, and California poppy seed. Each was chosen for its science-backed benefits to nerve health. Nervogen Pro is safe for daily use and non-habit forming. You're not just masking symptoms, you're supporting your body's healing. This is the standard everyone should expect from a supplement. Choose a path that respects your body and aligns with nature. Nervogen Pro's biggest benefit is relief from nerve discomfort, less tingling, burning, and pain. By calming nerves and relaxing muscle tension, it helps restore restful sleep and energy. As pain fades, you regain vitality for hobbies, family, and daily life. Healthier nerves mean walking comfortably, feeling textures, and enjoying life's simple joys again. Fine motor skills and sensory perception improve, boosting confidence and independence. The peace of mind from using a natural, safe solution is invaluable. Nervogen Pro works gently and consistently, fitting easily into your routine. Take back control of your life with trusted, high-quality support. Real stories from everyday people truly show the impact of Nervogen Pro in ways that statistics and studies simply can't capture. These are the voices of real individuals, mothers, fathers, grandparents, and workers who have faced the daily challenges of nerve pain and found hope again. Take Sarah, for example. As a retired teacher, she spent years on her feet, but neuropathy left her struggling with constant discomfort and burning pain. Simple joys like walking to the mailbox or playing with her grandchildren became daunting tasks. After just 6 weeks of using Nervogen Pro, Sarah noticed a remarkable change. The burning pain faded, her steps grew lighter, and she could once again enjoy peaceful walks with her dog in the park, something she thought she'd lost forever. Then there's David, a skilled carpenter whose hands are his livelihood. When numbness and pain crept in, he feared he'd have to give up the work he loved and the business he built from scratch. But with Nervogen Pro, David gradually regained feeling and strength in his hands. Now, he's back in his workshop, confidently crafting and creating, grateful for a second chance at his passion. Maria, a loving grandmother, used to sit on the sidelines, watching her family dance and celebrate. Nerve pain kept her from joining in, leaving her feeling isolated and left out of precious moments. But after 2 months with Nervogen Pro, Maria was back on the dance floor, twirling with her grandkids and making new memories. Her laughter and energy returned, bringing her family closer together. These aren't isolated cases. Thousands of people, from all walks of life, have found relief, better sleep, and renewed energy thanks to Nervogen Pro. From waking up refreshed to enjoying hobbies and exercise again, the changes are real and life-changing. People young and old, from different backgrounds and communities, are reclaiming their freedom and rediscovering the simple joys of life. Nervogen Pro is helping them break free from the limitations of nerve pain. Nervogen Pro isn't just a supplement, it's a chance to live fully again, to embrace each day with confidence and optimism, and to reconnect with the people and activities you love. The feedback is clear: natural support can make a real difference. Countless positive reviews and heartfelt messages show just how much Nervogen Pro has transformed lives. These stories inspire hope for anyone struggling with nerve pain, reminding us that relief is possible and that a brighter, more comfortable future is within reach. Relief is possible, and you're not alone on this journey. There's a whole community ready to support and encourage you every step of the way. Join a community that's found comfort, confidence, and a renewed sense of hope. Together, we can face nerve pain and overcome it. Nervogen Pro is changing lives, one story at a time, one person at a time. Each success adds to a growing movement of hope and healing. Your journey to relief could start today. Imagine taking those first steps toward comfort, energy, and a life without limits. Let these voices encourage you to take the next step, because your story of relief and renewal could be the next one we share. Let's look at the pros and cons. Pros: Nervogen Pro is 100% natural, uses plant extracts and vitamins, and is made in an FDA-approved, GMP-certified facility. It's gentle, effective, and comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, making it risk-free to try. The formula targets both muscle tension and nutritional support for comprehensive nerve health. Cons: it's only available through the official website, not in stores or on Amazon. High-quality ingredients mean supply can be limited, so stock sometimes runs out. Results vary. Some see relief in weeks, others may need a couple of months. Ordering online may be inconvenient for some, but it ensures you get the genuine product. Overall, the benefits far outweigh the drawbacks for most people. Nervogen Pro offers a safe, natural path to nerve relief. As a thank you for watching, there's a special limited-time discount on Nervogen Pro. Right now, you can get a bottle at a reduced price, with even bigger savings on 3 and 6 bottle packages. The 6 bottle option offers the best value and ensures you have a full supply for lasting results. Free shipping is included on multi-bottle orders. Supplies are limited due to high demand and premium ingredients. Once this batch sells out, prices return to normal and you may have to wait for restock. Don't miss this opportunity. Invest in your nerve health today. Secure your discounted supply before it's gone. You've lived with nerve pain long enough. You've seen the science, heard the stories, and know the power of natural support. Nervogen Pro comes with a 60-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee. Try it risk-free. If you're not satisfied, get a full refund. Imagine waking up refreshed, moving freely, and enjoying life again. The choice is yours. Keep struggling, or take a step toward real relief. Click the link below to visit the official site and choose your package. I recommend the 6-bottle option for best results and savings. Don't wait, special pricing and supplies are limited. Take control of your nerve health and start your journey to comfort today.